Hello, David here, and the project for today is trying out this new pin punch. This is from Starrett, model 565A1. It's a 1/16 inch pin punch. I've been using these in the past. This is from a company called Tekton, Tekton, 1/16 punch. See what happens to it. Those thin punches, they don't last very long. They bend really easy. So I thought, why not spend twice as much money? Try another brand of punch. The machining looks really nice. And it's from Starrett. Starrett's famous for their measuring devices, micrometers and such. What I do with these old ones is I trim them down and then try them as a punch again. Trim it past the bent part. Might work as a punch. As it is right now, what I would tend to do is just trim it off to about here and then just use it as a punch. There we go, it worked. I'll keep you guys updated on how long it lasts with some updates further on down the road. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.